Hey YouTube, in this video we're going to be installing the lens protector for the S21 Galaxy Ultra, and this lens protector is from Rhinoshield. So in the package you have the lens protectors themselves, and then you have this little pack here, and this has a nice sticker. It has a microfiber cloth, and it has some of the stickers, you know, to get like any last little bits of dust off. Now this little squeegee here is pretty nice. It has a soft thing here, but the Rhinoshield actually recommends that you kind of fold this squeegee over with the microfiber cloth. So anyway, first thing we'll do is just wipe this down. Make sure there's no prints or anything on that. We're gonna go ahead and use one of these little stickers. Okay. This is a 2-pack, so there's 2 in here, and then of course you can reuse everything, and then there's 2 stickers here because that other one you're gonna just throw it away. So first off, you take off the A side because the other side is B. So first thing you do is take off this A side. Now what's interesting about these protectors is they don't actually have anything there. You see, there's not actually anything on there. So really it's just protecting like the plastic that's behind that. And then of course you want to line all these up. As best you can. And then before you take off this B, you're going to wrap your squeegee in the microfiber cloth, and you're just gonna push and push and push till you get all the tiny little air bubbles out of there. And hopefully don't even know it's there. Alright, and then so see that kind of leaves some scratches on there. That's why you leave this B on. So then you remove that, and look at that, it's pretty nice. There's a few more bubbles up here and stuff, but I mean, it's not too bad. Just some gentle pressure around the outsides, getting all those last little bits out. Okay, so like I said, the Rhinoshield ones, they protect this part, this black part, the housing of where all the lenses are, not particularly the lenses themselves. Thank you for watching.